In today's video, I would take you from 0 subscribers all the way up to 13,000 just like me. So the first step, if you haven't realized already, go to youtube.com, sign up and make an account. Once you do that, go customize your channel and then come back to this video. And look, you may be like, dude, you only have 13,000 subscribers. Well, guess what? How many do you have? Exactly. Sit down and take notes. So I'm not even gonna lie. If you wanna be successful, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. If you wanna be successful, get all these subscribers, get all these likes, get all this fame, you're gonna have to be consistent. You're gonna have to have a passion for it. If you don't have a passion for it and you're not consistent, might as well just go find something else to do. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest straight up off the bat. I'm not even gonna waste your time. If you do not have a passion for this and you already know off the bat you're not consistent with anything you do in life, don't even start a YouTube channel. Because with YouTube, you need to have a passion for it, because when you see your videos getting 10 views, 15 views, you're gonna have to keep posting. I'm sorry. So a lot of people, their videos get 10 views, 5 views, 6 views, and then they quit and they never post again. If they would have been consistent, they could have had that one video pop off, boom, 100K subs. Well, they just weren't consistent. They just didn't have a passion for it. So I had the same problem in the beginning when I first started. My videos were getting like 100 views, 50 views, 20 views. But guess what? As you see, I'm right here now and I'm at 13,000 because I have a passion for this and I'm consistent. I try to post every few days. Sometimes I don't post for like a month, but that's the max. I try to post consistently because I do have a business and I am in school. So, you know, sometimes I don't really have time for YouTube. I always try to make the best of my time so I can find time in my day or night and record a YouTube video like I'm doing right now. It is currently like 10:30 at night and I have school. I have to wake up at like 5 in the morning. So hey, the grind does not stop, guys. The grind, if you want it, you will work for it. Trust me. So that's the first thing. Let's move on to the next. So I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Your first 100 videos, your first 200 videos, they're gonna brick. Just like Curry. Nah, I'm joking. But anyways, your first 100 videos, do not expect for you to be the next Mr. Beast, FaZe Rug, who else? Duke Dennis, whoever you follow. Do not expect to be the next Aiden Ross, Speed, Kaisenat. No, for you to be like them, you're gonna have to post, you're gonna have to put up some crazy numbers like 1,000 videos, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 videos, just like I am. So do not expect your like first 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 99 videos to pop off. No, that's not how it works. My first video that popped off, I don't even know, dude. It was like probably like my 20th, 25th video, but I posted it. It didn't go viral till what, 5, 6, 8 months later after I posted it. So with YouTube, this is really like a waiting game. It's not like TikTok. It's not like Instagram. It's not like Snapchat or whatever platform you use. You're not gonna get that instant dopamine. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to be consistent, keep posting. Don't even, tunnel vision. Don't even worry about the followers. Don't even worry about the likes. Don't even worry about the views. If you notice something that's going viral, see how, click on that video, look at everything, look at all the analytics, because YouTube has a lot of analytics that you can look for, and copy that video and see what you can do to make multiple videos around that same subject. So let's take me for instance, my video, how to get motion. I'll pop it up right here. It got a crazy amount of views. What is it at? 250K right now. So what I can do, or what I did do, I did multiple videos kind of like the same, but here's the main topic and then here are the subtopics, just like that. Main topic, 500K views. Subtopics, 100K views, 150K views. See, you see what I'm saying? If you have a video that pops off, find a way to funnel them viewers to the next video, to the next video, to the next video, because they're all related. If you're posting a video about clothing brand and that video goes viral, right? Don't go post a video about a day in a life or buying a car. What? We didn't come to your channel for that. We came for clothing brand advice or clothing brand videos. So see what I'm saying? It's kind of like common sense at the same time. Or really help my following count, my subscribers, my videos, my likes, all that, and go to the next level when I first started out. So when I first started my channel, I put on my Instagram story and on my TikTok, hey guys, go follow my YouTube channel. I just made it. I just basically told people, hey, go follow my YouTube channel. I'll be posting on there. And yeah, when I posted that, a day later, I had what, 50 subscribers already. So that's the easy way to get subscribers and likes. Stop being scared to go out there and just, dude, you're posting on your story. Who cares? Most people are gonna skip past it anyways. Just posting your story saying, hey, I'm starting this YouTube channel, go follow it. But one thing I will say, if you are gonna do that, you better post your videos. You better be consistent, because I hate people that say, go follow my YouTube channel. They post one video, never post again. Bro, who do you think you are, buddy? You're not him. You're not him. Your video got 20 views, buddy. You're not him. I will say, if you will do that, definitely live up to the expectations. You gotta blow me away. You gotta take me by surprise. Boom, a new video every single 3 days. I'm like, okay, I see you. So yeah, post on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, whatever platform you have followers on, friends on, Facebook. Say, hey, mom, dad, brother, sister, dog, cat, chameleon, lizard, trash can, car, Mercedes, Hellcat. Go follow my YouTube channel. I'm just starting out and I definitely will start posting content on there. So if you could be my first few subscribers, likes, views, it'll really help me out. That's the easy way to get your first 50, 100 subscribers. Trust me, bro. If you're gonna start from zero and not post on your story or anything, it's gonna be hard to get those first 50, 20, 30, 40, 50 subscribers. So just take advantage, guys. I know you have friends. I know you have family. Don't sit there and lie to yourself that you have 0 friends, because you're lying. If you're gonna do social media, you gotta be a likable person. See me, you're watching my videos because I'm a likable person and I'm giving you advice. So for this next tip, that is post valuable content. If you go type in calithekid on YouTube, you'll see a whole bunch of videos. How to start your clothing brand, how to get money, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to do this, how to do that, how to do this. Whole freaking 500 videos of just straight advice. Guess what? I'm providing value. If you do not provide value, it's gonna be hard to grow your channel, period. Nobody wants to subscribe to your channel if you're not providing value. So whatever you like, whatever you want to do, if you want to do clothing brand advice like me or financial advice like me, if you're into cars, you can do like, hey, how to fix your transmission, how to change your tires. See, you gotta provide value. If you're gonna do vlogs, provide value. Do like a tour of the city, tour the stores, tour to like the food. You're providing value. For people who haven't been to that state, they're gonna watch your vlogs and be like, oh, I didn't know about that spot, I'm gonna go there. See, you're providing value. So that's the baseline of anything. Mr. Beast videos, he provides value. You can see he provides a lot of value, giving away $1 million, giving away $500,000, giving away $1,000 every single time you blink. Like, he's providing value. You need to find a way to provide value. That's the only way you're gonna get views. If you're just posting random videos, you just yapping, who's gonna watch? Bro, they're gonna watch you for like 3 seconds and then click off. And that's not what YouTube wants. What YouTube wants is for somebody to click on your video. It's simple. It's that simple. They want somebody to click on your video and watch as long as possible. All that clickbaiting, all that extra stuff, yeah, you're gonna get the click, but they're gonna watch your video for 3 seconds and click off, and it's not gonna go viral. I'm sorry to tell you, YouTube is all about keeping the viewer on your video for as long as possible. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys watch me is because I provide value. Every time you see me pop up on your YouTube homepage, let's call it that, you click on my video because you're like, what did calithekid post? I wanna learn something new. I wanna learn how to grow my YouTube channel. I wanna learn how to grow my brand. I wanna learn how to grow my business. I wanna learn how to make some money. See, I'm providing value, so you always come back to my channel. You always come back to my videos. You always click on my videos. See, we're doing a value exchange right now. Shake my hand. Shake my hand right now, buddy. Value exchange right now. See, I provide you good content. You give me the views. Hey, and you give me a like, and you give me a comment, and you give me a subscribe. The number one piece of advice I want to give to you guys is that you need to be authentic. If you're not authentic, if you're faking a personality, if you're faking somebody that you're not, trust me, it's gonna catch up to you. People are gonna see you in real life, they're like, dude, who are you? You're like a whole different person. Or you're just gonna get tired of having to keep up the act, having to keep acting like somebody that you are not. So be authentic. We all have our own problems that we deal with. It is okay to be yourself. So do not live up to the hype. I know everybody seems perfect on social media, but they're really not. So trust me, it is okay to show your flaws, your insecurities. Me, I know when I'm talking on camera, I be stuttering. Like sometimes I have like a little lisp a little bit, if you can hear it. So I don't really care, because like I talk the same as I do in camera and in person. So I don't really care enough to try to get on here and act all perfect. Like I don't have any flaws, because guess what? We're all humans. We all have our own setbacks and flaws in life. So just be yourself, be authentic, keep posting, and trust me, the people will come to you for being authentic. Especially now in 2024, people don't want to see the influencers that try to act like perfect. They don't have any flaws. They want somebody who they can relate to, who has a little bit of a lisp, who stutters a little bit on camera, who's not scared to make mistakes, all that. They want somebody who they can relate to. So that's why I'm pretty sure most of you guys probably choose my video over this crazy guru, internet guru, who has 1 million subscribers, hundreds of thousands of likes each video. But you come to me every single time because I'm authentic, I'm a small YouTuber, and I'm not scared to show my mistakes. I'm pretty sure I touched up on this earlier, but do not get caught up on views, likes, comment, share, subscribers. Trust me, those will come with due time. Just post, be consistent, they will come. Do not get caught up in it, because if you every single day you wake up, you're checking your likes, you're checking your subscribers, and you only got 1 like overnight, you're gonna quit. You're just gonna end up quitting. So don't even worry about it at the beginning. Trust me, like the first year or 2, you're not gonna pop off. Just stay, look, be the underdog and grind, and then boom, you're gonna pop up all of a sudden. People are like, dude, how'd you just blow up all of a sudden? You'll be like, no, I've been posting for 3 years now, 2 years now, and just recently I started to blow up. So trust me, all these people you see blow up out of nowhere, they really did not blow up out of nowhere. They've been posted for what, 3 years straight, 4 years straight, and then boom, all of a sudden took that one video to just take them to the next level. So trust me, everything you see, there's always a story behind it. So all these celebrities that you think just blow up overnight, they don't blow up overnight, unless you're doing something stupid like stealing or just something crazy. Most of the time they don't blow up overnight. It's years and years and years and years of just growing underneath the soil channel, and then boom, they blossom just like that. That's pretty much the harsh reality that most of you guys are gonna have to accept. And speaking about views and fame and all that extra stuff, if you were trying to start a YouTube channel just for the money, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you now, click on this video. We are not doing that, because if you were just starting to do something for the money, business, relationship, anything across the board, you're gonna end up quitting, you're gonna end up cheating, you're gonna end up messing it up because you actually don't want to do it. You don't want to get in that relationship. You're only doing it for the views and the money. You're gonna end up cheating on her. You're gonna end up breaking up with her. If you're starting a YouTube channel just for the money, you're gonna end up quitting, because as soon as the money goes away, you're done. Your channel's done. Or if the money never comes, if the money slows down, you're gonna quit the next day. So if you're starting a business just for the money, if that business fails or something small happens, you're gonna close the business down. So always do something because you love it, you have a passion for it, or you know it's like something that makes sense. Don't just do it because of the money. I know people go on social media and say, I don't care if it's a trash business. I know if it makes a lot of money, I'm gonna do it regardless. No, that's not the way to think. You have one life. Do what you love. There's so many ways you can make money. Don't do something that, hey, if you have a choice, don't do something by choice that you don't want to do just because you want the money. If you're in a situation, then yes, of course. If YouTube's your only way out, of course, go for it. If it's not your passion, but you know you can make money off of it, of course. But if you have money and you're just doing YouTube because you heard, oh, Jeffrey, he makes $1,000 a week from doing YouTube, I'm gonna do it too. You're a follower, one, and two, you're just doing it for the money, and you're not gonna be successful like him, because Jeffrey, he actually has a passion for it. He's been posting for 3 years straight, so keep that in mind. Also, if you were like a vlogger, you're gonna be recording in public, do not be scared, bro. Trust me, I know it maybe seems scary to record in public, everybody's staring at you, like, y'all know your social anxiety. Oh my gosh, about social anxiety, I see girls comment that on my videos all the time. Dude, if you were scared, you're not gonna get the views. Like, if you're scared to record yourself, this is not for you. I'm sorry. This YouTube's not for you. You see me out recording in public all the time, Rodeo Drive, car meets, all that. You cannot be scared, because guess what? Those people are gonna see you, they're gonna look at you, they're gonna be like, what is he doing? And then 5 seconds later, they're back to what they're doing. They're back to walking, they're back to going and getting food, they're back to going to their friend's house, their girl's house, whatever. They're gonna forget about you just like that. While you sitting there thinking, oh my gosh, I'm scared of what he thinks of me. Oh my gosh, this, that, and third. Yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter what people think. You do what's right for you, as long as you're not hurting people or being freaking menace to society. If you're not doing some crazy YouTube prank, as long as you're not doing anything crazy, it's good. Don't care what people think. But if you're doing something crazy, I think you should, you know, look at your surroundings, and people are trying to tell you to stop. But yeah, don't be scared, because people are looking at you recording your little lifestyle vlog, saying, hey guys, I'm at Target, here's what I get, blah 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 blah, here's my list, whatever. Don't be scared. If you're out in public, hey guys, we're at Santa Monica Pier right now, don't be scared, because people are staring at you. Your channel, your life, you do what you want. Don't listen to other people, don't listen to peer pressure, don't get scared, don't be shy. This is your channel and you're trying to grow it. Do not be scared. And then for this last piece of advice, that is post shorts. I cannot tell you guys how important posting YouTube shorts are. They have literally helped me grow my channel so fast, because guess what? Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, they're all trying to compete for that short form content. They're all trying to compete with TikTok. So Instagram Reels, whew, my Instagram Reels have been going crazy, especially on my brand page, which is Girllogger. I do sell shoelaces, by the way. As you see, I have on my Louis Vuittons right now. But anyways, Girllogger.us right there to shop. I'm finna drop some hoodies soon and some t-shirts, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, back to the points. Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, they're all trying to compete with TikTok. So they are pushing short form content. Millions of views on YouTube Shorts. So you just do the research. People are getting millions of views, and guess what? Them viewers are tuning into their main videos, which in return is getting subscribers, getting them more money from monetization, all that. Like, it's good all around. So don't just post long form videos. Also make sure you're posting shorts. Shorts will help your channel grow so much faster. But at the same time, don't post too many shorts. You still gotta post long form content too. This isn't a TikTok account. If you want to post nothing but short form content, let's go to TikTok with that. This is for long form content at the end of the day. YouTube, hey, think of it like this. Let's just say it's like a restaurant. TikTok is like McDonald's. It's like fast food. You go there, you get your dopamine, you're out. YouTube, you have to sit down, you wait for the waiter to come, this, that, and that, and then you have to wait for dessert, and then you leave a tip. YouTube is an experience. TikTok, you get the dopamine, you're out. You get the food, you're out. Pay, get food, done, out, go home. But if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I really hope this video helped you guys, and let me know how many subscribers do you have right now. Have you started your channel yet? Are you about to start it? Just let me know in the comments. It's January, hey guys, it's January the 8th. You have a whole nother 11 months. So I want to see you guys posting consistently. You have 11 months to come back to this video and report when you started, when you first saw this video, and where you're at. I want to see nothing but growth and nothing for the best for you guys. And also, I am thinking about dropping like a little private community or like a course hours so I can just do like one-on-one call with you guys, drop like freaking a ton of sauce. Cause guess what, this is the little sauce, you feel me? This just give y'all a little taste of something. This ain't like the whole like, and I can literally sit down for hours and like break everything down step by step for you guys. But I want to keep that like exclusive. I don't want to drop all the sauce, you feel me? I'll drop a ton of sauce right now. I don't want to spill everything, but definitely in the future I do plan on doing one-on-one calls or a Zoom meeting with you guys, so I can literally sit down with you guys, help you look at your YouTube channels, help it scale, help you grow it, look at your business, see what you're doing wrong, give some feedback, all that. I want to help you guys. I want to dedicate myself to helping you guys, and I know I'm not going to charge $5,000, $10,000. I'm not going to charge that much, trust me. So I probably sit down, what, 2, 3, probably like an hour. It depends how busy I am in the future, but probably like an hour to sit down with you guys and just literally like sit there and just help you guys. Whatever questions you have, I will help you, but that will come at a little price. I'm not gonna charge $1,000 like I said, so don't worry. But I'm gonna definitely get you guys right. Facebook ads, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, do anything across the board, business and social media related, I got you. Don't come asking for relationship advice. This isn't a therapy session. So definitely be ready for that in the future. I do plan on launching that probably next month or in 2 months. I'm not in a huge rush, probably take my time with it and see what's the best way to do this. But thank you guys for all the support, and actually we are on the way to 15,000 subscribers, so make sure to go drop a sub, and I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. Also, don't be scared to just let me know what video you want to see, and I'll definitely go record it for you guys. With that being said, Calithekid, I'm out. Peace.